We all know how tough it is when your little ones have a cough. That's why I only trust Kofol syrup, an Ayurvedic cough reliever that made with powerful herbs. It helps provide relief from both dry and wet cough. As a working mom, we can't afford to be slowed down by coughs and colds. That's why Kofol syrup, a non-drowsy formula, is a game changer for me. And with the rainy seasons upon us, we all need the support we can get to fight off those dry and wet coughs. So all the moms out there, get your bottle of Kofol syrup from their website www.vedistry.com.